In this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between SendPulse and Loops, focusing on their features and which one is better for marketers in 2024. For your convenience, the links to both SendPulse and Loops are in the description below, so you can try them out. Both SendPulse and Loops offer a range of features to help marketers engage with their audience and drive conversions. However, each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to understand what sets them apart. SendPulse is an all-in-one marketing platform that offers email marketing, SMS messaging, web push notifications, and chatbots. With SendPulse, you can create highly targeted campaigns, automate your marketing efforts, and analyze the performance of your campaigns with detailed analytics. On the other hand, Loops is a customer engagement platform that focuses on building relationships with your audience through personalized messaging. It offers features such as email marketing, SMS marketing, and customer segmentation to help you tailor your messages to each individual customer. When comparing SendPulse and Loops, one of the key differences is in their approach to customer engagement. SendPulse offers a wide range of marketing tools, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. On the other hand, Loops is more focused on personalized messaging, which can be beneficial for businesses looking to build strong relationships with their customers. Both SendPulse and Loops offers free plan with $0 per month. In conclusion, both SendPulse and Loops offer powerful features for marketers, but the best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and goals. Click the link in the description to try SendPulse and Loops for free.